Good morning, everybody. It's your pre-market update for January 14th as we follow yesterday's pretty hectic session where we flipped and dumped about 50 handles from the high. We can see pre-market here. We're pushing the lows of yesterday's session, 200.5 on the SPY. A lot of news this morning here. We got earnings from JP Morgan. So we can see she closed at around 59 bucks and is now opening down 57.80 here, profit falling. Wells Fargo is somewhat able to hold a little bit higher. This is a stronger bank, but still we're seeing the negative reaction. Another big thing in the news here this morning is Tesla. Elon Musk came out and said sales in China suck. This thing is set to open well under 200, which I'm pretty pissed off about because I wanted to short this 200 area. Now I'm looking at a 15-point gap down and don't know what the hell to do. So most stocks here are squarely in red territory. As we take a look at our watch list here, we can see most names here squarely in the red, except for some upgrades, which are keeping Facebook and Netflix in positive territory. So if we go to Netflix, you can see here. Let's look at the couple of days here. And you can see that Netflix here is back up a couple of points. Facebook still up over 77. So these are the only two here bullish names here off the open that are positive here. Also, we have GoPro, but remember she had a 13% move down yesterday. So I wouldn't expect this gap up to last too much longer. Other news here this morning, we have retail sales coming out at 8:30, as well as the beige book. So beige book will hit at 2 p.m. So watch for stock reaction there. Markets are weak. Markets are weak. Things are selling off. Anybody who's out there dip buying, make sure you're doing it in a slow sort of pace. Adding to it as you go along. There's news out as far as Chinese growth, World Bank forecasts on the global economy and things like that that are hitting as well, causing panic. So watch all these kind of indicators here. But most of all, stick with the price action here. Stick with the price action. I think SPY could get down to 199. So if we go back to a 3-month here and take a look at where the SPY is, I mean I think we could hold up 200, and that's what you want to see if you're going to be bullish and dip buying anything. But I think we could print 198. We could print a little bit lower. Really, markets are very active. SPY is very active. Trading the SPY intraday, there's plenty of range on it, plenty of juice there. So that seems to be your day trade for recent days. A lot of action out here, though. A lot of action out here. A lot of gaps too. So if you don't like the gap type of market, this definitely isn't one for you because you're missing a lot of that ground overnight. All right. We'll see you later this evening for the trading update at the end of the day.